Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Over Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a fried egg in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Fry Oven. This is pretty easy to do, and let's get cooking right now. Alright, so for this cook it's pretty easy. One large egg, a ramekin, some cooking spray. Just going to line this ramekin really well with cooking spray. You can use whatever you choose to line your ramekin. You just want to make it non-stick, and I just want to get this egg into the ramekin. Of course, I want to try not to break that yolk. And now I'm going to take it, put it inside the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Fry Oven. Have a rack on level 3, and just sticking the ramekin on in there, closing up. And after I turn it on, I'm going to tell you I'm going to put it on air fry. I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. And the temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's 350 for 10 minutes. You leave it in there doing the preheat and all that quickie preheat. And so I've let it go ahead and start running. I'll bring you on back when this is done. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of this 10-minute cook. And so going to go ahead and get it on out of there now. You don't want to dilly-dally because the egg is still cooking, but there's our finished product there, and I'm going to get it on out of the ramekin and get it onto this plate. I'm just trying to make sure I don't mess it up, but there's our finished egg right there. Alright, so I just want you to have a good look at this fried egg, and I just want to move the yolk for you just to show you, you know, you get the runny yolk. So perfectly fried egg. And for the sake of a taste test, we will do a taste test now, and we will thank God for this tasty egg. So, I mean, perfectly fried egg, perfectly done. And, you know, this is for you if you want to do a fried egg using your air fry oven. You know, I know there's always somebody that wants to jump in the comments and say, oh, you know, I could do an egg in just X number of minutes in a frying pan. Well, maybe people don't have the frying pan. Maybe they're in a situation where they don't. Or maybe they just don't want to. Maybe you just want to use your air fry oven and do it. You know, for me, it's just very neat and very predictable and very repeatable to use the air fry oven. And so we all have our choice. And so, you know, you use yours, I'll use mine, and we'll all be all good. But with all that said, in the video description, lots of ways to help this channel. You can find a link there for my new book. It's now available on both Amazon and Google Play. You can get the ebook and the printed version of the book off Amazon. You can get the ebook off the Google Play Store. Also, you can, if you want to get this cooker, there's a referral link. Pay the same price, help this channel. Other ways to help the channel as well. Also, you can find a link to the written printable version of these instructions. And there's more recipes on my blog at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and good eating.